Palantir has gone from a $6 bargain to a $70 powerhouse. Now the question is, can it hit $100 by 2025? With groundbreaking AI technology and major government contracts, this company is set to dominate. Investors are buzzing, and the growth potential is undeniable. Like, subscribe, and let's see why Palantir's future is brighter than ever.
Once upon a time, Palantir was lounging in the bargain bin of the stock market, trading at a humble $6. Investors couldn't decide if it was a hidden gem or a ticket to heartbreak. Fast forward to today, and the stock has skyrocketed to an eye-popping $70. That's like discovering the quiet nerd from high school is now a rock star billionaire. But wait, there's more. Insider buzz suggests Palantir might hit the magical $100 mark as early as January 2025. Is it possible? Absolutely. Is it a wild gamble? Not at all. It's a well-planned rocket launch. Let's break down why Palantir is primed to shatter milestones faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Think of the US government as Palantir's VIP client. They don't just trust Palantir, they rely on it like a best friend during tough times. From national defense to cutting-edge AI decision-making, Palantir's Gotham platform is their go-to tool. Picture the Pentagon as a high-tech superhero HQ, and Palantir is the utility belt that keeps defense officials one step ahead of the villains. Recent contracts with the Department of Defense, DoD, and intelligence agencies solidify Palantir as the backbone of America's digital defense strategy. And it's not just about government contracts. Palantir has revolutionized industries with its artificial intelligence platform, AIP. From automating insurance claims to enabling self-driving drone navigation, Palantir's AI is turning science fiction into reality. For example, imagine an insurance company using Palantir AI to process claims in hours instead of weeks. Customers are thrilled, and the company's bottom line skyrockets. With the AI market expected to surpass $800 billion by 2030, Palantir isn't just riding the wave, it's leading the parade with fireworks and a marching band. When it comes to financials, Palantir is a showstopper. Revenue is growing at 30% year over year, and operating income is surging like a crypto wallet during a bull run. With a mountain of cash on hand, Palantir is perfectly positioned to reinvest in future growth. Unlike some tech companies struggling to turn a profit, Palantir is a well-oiled money-making machine. Recent partnerships, like the one with L3Harris Technologies, are just the beginning. From military tech to healthcare and even space exploration, Palantir is unlocking opportunities that could reshape entire industries. Take space exploration, for example. Imagine Palantir's AI helping astronauts analyze data in real time, making missions safer and more efficient. Palantir isn't just shooting for the moon, it's building the technology to get there. Analysts predicting a $100 price target by 2025 might even be underestimating Palantir's potential. With roots firmly planted in the US, Palantir is expanding globally, serving clients across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. From optimizing German automobile production to revolutionizing logistics, Palantir's global demand is a powerful growth driver. In a volatile tech market, Palantir stands out for its resilience. Critical industries like defense and intelligence don't cut spending during tough times. While other tech stocks may waver, Palantir is more like a fortress. And let's not forget leadership. CEO Alex Karp isn't your typical executive. He's a visionary with a bold mission to protect Western civilization. Under his leadership, Palantir isn't just growing, it's redefining what a tech company can achieve. Of course, there are risks. At $70 or even $100, some argue the stock is expensive. Global scaling is no walk in the park, and competitors like Microsoft and Google are major players in AI. But Palantir has a history of overcoming challenges. It's not just surviving, it's thriving. Hitting $100 isn't just a milestone, it's a statement. Palantir is here to dominate. For investors, this means confidence in the company's mission, a chance to ride the AI wave, and the potential for massive returns as Palantir continues to expand globally. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer looking to join the AI revolution, Palantir deserves your attention. As the stock market proverb says, fortune favors the bold. If you've watched this video until the end, drop a comment saying, I stayed until the end. When I see your comment, I'll give it a heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Your support motivates me to bring more educational and transformative content every week. See you in the next video.